promising estimations in the statistical information about the technical investigations. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This new book, in which author tries to show the rational way how to correctly we can estimate the result of investigations or test control for different statistical information in various spheres of the human activities, engineering, public health, production, investigations on the whole, ecology, and to process the statistical data is depicted many important aspects connected with the statistical information. The point is that all investigations give us many numerical information. For example, about temperature oscillations, pressure or velocity alterations, different travels or accelerations, significances of precisions or reliability, strains or resistance to wear, and so on. Usually, several problems will appear in front of the researchers, namely, how many experiments tests must be done to get the absolutely right results to make the real conclusion? What kind of law of many distributions it is needed to take into account to describe and to process the initial information without any mistakes? Note, the researcher must be a very qualified expert and even a connoisseur in this field because there are more than 30 laws of distribution in mathematics. Moreover, such specialist has to know more than 10 special criteria to use one or maybe two of them to apply in the work during the calculation, or the great mistake can be got. All these factors demand to make too many actions, many hours of working, and to waste much money. It's understand that during these actions minimum 1 or 2 mistakes could take place in practice. Consequently, the important conclusion will not be right and the sequels can be even as a tragedy. That's why such problem must be solved more quickly and by means of the simplest methods which have the maximum reliability and trustworthiness. In this book, author is ready to solve this task, rather difficult and important to many academics, researchers, persons with higher technical education, and to the practical workers. Firstly, some introductory information connected with the traditional methods in the highest mathematics connected with the calculation will be given before the practical examples. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.